How to post on Bluesky. If you have just opened your account and you want to post something, then firstly you will need to verify your email. You can go to your profile and check if you have recent post or not. On the left side at the very bottom, you should see the option called New Post. Click on that. And as you can see, my email is not verified. So firstly you will need to verify. Click on Send Email. Then you will see a code or you will see a link. Click on the link or code to verify. Once your email is verified, you can now post. Click on New Post and you can write whatever you want. This is very similar to Twitter or Reddit. At the bottom left corner, you will see other options also. For example, you can put pictures, GIFs or emojis. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna put an image. Now let me also add an emoji. Click on the smiley icon at the bottom. Then select an emoji that you like. Now just like this, you can post this. Or you can set more things like language and visibility. Click on Anyone Can Interact. Now you can set up your post visibility right here and click on Save. You can add labels if it contains nudity or any adult content. That's all for today. Thank you.